This technique is known as a basic bird dog. I'm going to start in a hands and knees position, just like so. And my only goal here is to keep my back fairly neutral while extending my opposite hand and foot. So in this case, I'm going to extend my right arm and my left leg and hold for 3, 2, 1, coming down, and then switch. 3, 2, 1, coming down, switching. 3, 2, 2, coming down. 3, 2, 2, switching again. 3, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3. And what I'm trying to do is keep my head in a neutral position, but make myself as long as possible. That's really key, is getting that sense of extension through the spine without overarching. It's okay for there to be some movement in the back. The spine is meant to move, but you don't want to be like arching to get your arm up. If you notice that's happening, then we probably need to work a little bit on shoulder mobility and strength. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, but this is not going to be like a killer. This is something that you'll often see at the end of workouts to work on activating balance and posterior strength along the spinal erectors and traps and shoulders and that sort of thing.